Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the audio track in your reel is no longer available error on Instagram. This issue usually occurs when the original audio has been removed, muted, or restricted due to copyright or licensing problems. But don't worry, here's a complete guide to help you resolve it. 1. Replace the missing audio. The simplest fix is to replace the unavailable audio with a new track. Open your reel with the missing audio. Tap the three dots and select Edit. Tap the music icon, search for a new audio track and select one. Save or reshare the updated reel with the new sound. Tip: choose a trending or region-available sound to avoid this issue in the future. 2. Search for an alternate version. If you're still having trouble, try searching for a remix, cover, or different version of the original audio. 3. Update the Instagram app. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Then restart the app and check if the audio works. 4. Clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, then tap Clear cache. For iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app to refresh it. This can clear up bugs that prevent certain audio tracks from appearing. 5. Check internet connection. A poor internet connection can also cause this issue. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart Instagram and try again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio track in your reel is no longer available error and continue creating great content with the right soundtrack. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.